In the 1800s, a road-building project in Switzerland faced a sticky situation when powder meant for explosives accidentally mixed with readily available bitumen. This unexpected mishap resulted in a smooth, durable surface, sparking the invention of what we now know as asphalt. Even though initially ridiculed by skeptical peers, entrepreneurs like Edward de Smet saw its potential and refined the process for broader applications. Asphalt went on to become a cornerstone of modern infrastructure, solving transportation challenges and improving road safety. Today, it paves millions of miles of roads worldwide and hints at a future filled with smarter, eco-friendly paving solutions. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe for more fascinating tales.